including the principled position on the Jammu and Kashmir dispute. High-level exchanges and bilateral consultative mechanisms are essential for maintaining the momentum of long-cherished relationship. I am delighted to see the fourth strategic dialogue convened shortly after the bilateral political consultations that took place in March 2023 in Beijing. Pakistan and China have celebrated 72 years of friendship. This partnership has grown over the years and enjoys consensus across generations and political divides. In our talks today, we had an in-depth exchange of views on the entire spectrum of bilateral cooperation between Pakistan and China. We agreed on the significance of this partnership for the mutual benefit of our two nations in the face of new developments. Our two countries have stood with each other for decades and would continue to stand with each other in the decades to come. Pakistan will continue to firmly support China on all core issues of its national interest, including Taiwan, Xinjiang, Tibet, Hong Kong, and the South China Sea. We also agreed on the importance of the China-Pakistan economic corridor and reiterated our abiding commitment to its high-quality development. As you are aware, that this year we mark the completion of a decade of the China-Pakistan economic corridor. CPEC remains a shining example of the Belt and Road cooperation, which has accelerated socio-economic development, job creation, and improvement of the people's livelihoods in Pakistan. CPEC remains a win-win economic initiative open to all investors around the world. Pakistan remains profoundly grateful to China for its generous and timely assistance as we continue to grapple with the headwinds in the global economy. Pakistan-China friendship is irreversible. The mutual warmth and trust between the people of our two countries is a shining example of multicultural cooperation. Pakistan-China friendship is a historic reality, consensus choice of the two nations. Pakistan remains against bloc politics or great power competition of any kind. We look forward to working together with all countries to address our common challenges of development and connectivity. We are committed to remaining engaged with China to promote South-South cooperation, especially in light of emerging global concerns like human-induced climate change. Pakistan and China would continue to engage in a mutually beneficial cooperation to deliver tangible benefits to both. Today, we also noted the peace and stability in Afghanistan remains vital for socio-economic development, connectivity, and prosperity in the region. We will continue to work together with all stakeholders for peaceful, stable, prosperous, and united Afghanistan. In the end, I would like to once again welcome the State Councillor to Pakistan. I wish the State Councillor a pleasant stay on his inaugural visit to Pakistan, and I look forward to working with His Excellency to continue furthering our time-tested and cherished partnership. I thank you, and then I will turn over to the State Councillor and Foreign Minister.
वज़ीर ख़ारजा बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी चीनी हम मनसब के हमरा मुश्तरका न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान और चीन के दरमियान मजबूत रिश्ता है और हमेशा चीन की हर आलमी फोरम पर पाकिस्तान हिमायत करता है। चीनी हम मनसब के साथ अहम मामलात ज़ेर गौर आए हैं। बिलावल भुट्टो ने इस न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये कहा। उन्होंने कहा कि सीपैक की अहमियत और अफादियत से हम आगाह हैं। बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी इस मुश्तरका न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब कर रहे थे और दफ्तर ख़ारजा में ये मुश्तरका न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस जारी है। अभी जो चीन के वज़ीर ख़ारजा हैं वो भी इस न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब करेंगे और वज़ीर ख़ारजा बिलावल भुट्टो ने इस न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा कि हम दोनों के दरमियान अहम मामलात ज़ेर गौर आए हैं और पाकिस्तान सीपैक की अहमियत और अफादियत से आगाह है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।